I have no concept. Seems pricey, but what do I know? Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious about the April American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm super excited. The American Influencer Beauty Bundle retails for $34 every other month. And the box is from a beauty influencer and or someone from a beauty brand. And the entire box are products from that one brand. Let's dig in and see who is the influencer or brand in this month's box. By the way, this box is very heavy, and I'm speculating it may be hair products. What's that you say? All my longtime supporting viewers who love the hair care products? I don't know. It feels like 5 to 6 pound box, and the last time the box was this heavy, it was hair care. All right, let's take a look at the card. Ooh, he's a good-looking gentleman. Don't know who that is. It says Authentic Beauty. All right, so this gentleman is from a company I'm not familiar with or have never heard of called Authentic Beauty Concept. Oh, isn't that clever? You can go ABC, which has a wide array of styling products that cater to each and every hair type. Yes, hair products. All right, so is this just a model, or is that the... It doesn't give his name like it normally does. So I'm going to assume he's just maybe a spokesperson or a hot model. Maybe it's the owner. And this brand is vegan and cruelty free. All right, let's just dig in and grab the first item. All right, so what is this? This is a Hydrate Lotion for dry hair. I'm going to have to read a little bit because if you've stopped by my channel before, you know with my short hair, I'm not really into the hair care products, and I don't know what a Hydrate Lotion is. At first when I read that, I thought, ooh, maybe it's a hand lotion, which I would love and adore. Okay, so it says this lightweight lotion fights frizz and helps to protect the hair from blow dry damage. Okay, well, that makes sense there. I don't luckily suffer from frizzy hair. And it retails for $28, and you get 150 milliliters or 5 fluid ounces. Okay, on to the next item. Again, with the simplistic white and black packaging. This here is a Hydrate Mask, again for dry hair. The Hydrating Mask is an intense yet lightweight treatment that deeply moisturizes while bringing back elasticity and shine. You get 200 milliliters or 6.7 fluid ounces. For those into the hair care, let me know if $38 is the norm for a hair mask or if that's pricey. I have no concept. Seems pricey, but what do I know? All right, next item is this guy here, which is a Hydrate Cleanser, again for dry hair. I'm catching on a theme that this box is curated for those with dry hair. All right, what is a cleanser? Is that a fancy way of saying shampoo? The pleasant cleanser brings back elasticity and shine to normal to dry or curly hair, leaving hair feeling fresh but not stripped. And this retails for $28. So, yes, a product I can use because, right? Cleanser means shampoo, right? Why do they call it a cleanser? Okay, next item. This is Hydrate Conditioner. Okay, at least they use the word I understand. Again, for dry hair. It says that this lightweight conditioner moisturizes normal to dry or curly hair and helps it appear supple and smooth. And it retails for also $28. So yes, these two products I'll be able to use, cleanser and conditioner, and that paid for the box itself, because at $28 and $28 or $56, and it was a $39 box. All right, last item is this one here, and it is a blow dry primer. Really? So you have products that for blow drying your hair, and then you have a primer. So you put on a primer first and then a blow dry product, or is this just a blow dry? Does it look like I blow dry my hair? Well, I blow dry my hair, but I don't like straighten. All right. So this blow dry primer retails for $28 and is a fluid prep mist with protection against blow dry damage. It creates the ideal base for any hairstyle and provides subtle control with light conditioning. All right. I do find it interesting that their other packaging is like stark white, and this one's kind of like a off-white ivory. Not sure that's just an observation. All right. Let's recap what we got in this box. So we got a hair mask, a blow dry primer, a hydrate lotion, a cleanser / shampoo, and a conditioner. That's quite a lot of products. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of everything we received. Let me know your thoughts on this box. For me, it's okay. I did get my money's worth, but that's just because I have short hair and I'm not a hair care product connoisseur. But I know who you are watching this are going to be ecstatic, because if you haven't done so yet, make sure you check out the 500 subscriber video above, follow all the instructions, and so you can get tossed into the giveaway, and a lot of these hair care products will be included. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't done so yet, please click that little thumbs up. It's free, and it really helps out with the algorithm. And select the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. All right. Thanks, everyone.